How to make a payment for a school trip. Making a payment for a school trip on iPay is quick and simple. Follow these easy steps to ensure your child doesn't miss out on any exciting adventures. Step 1. Sign into iPay and open your child's account. After logging into iPay, you'll be directed to your home page. At the top of the page, you'll see a list of your children's accounts. Click on the child you wish to make a payment for. Step 2. Find the trip. You'll now see the account summary for your selected child. Here, you'll find a list of various school funds available for that child. If your child has already joined a trip and has an outstanding balance, you'll find the trip listed under the To Pay section, which is shown by default. If your child has not yet joined the trip, it will be listed under the Available section. Step 3. Review trip details. Click on the trip card to view its details. The trip summary will provide you with all the necessary information about the trip, including your previous payments and any available actions related to the trip. If you have not yet joined the trip, then the option to join will be shown. Step 4. Join the trip. To sign your child up for the trip, simply click the Join button. Once you've done this, you'll be taken to the payment screen. Step 5. Choose payment option. On the payment screen, you'll see various payment options depending on the school settings. Step 6. Confirm consent. For the first payment towards the trip, the school will request your consent for your child to participate. Confirm your consent to proceed with the payment. Step 7. Proceed to checkout. Once you've added the payments to your basket, you can proceed to the checkout to finalise the transaction. If you need to make any other payments, you can always return to the home page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a payment for your child's school trip using iPay. Don't forget that you need to check out to finalise the payment of the items in your basket. Enjoy the trip.